So hopefully everything is clear about Internet of Things. Next we see is Web of Things. Now Web of Things is similar to Internet of Things, just that कि Internet of Things के लिए हमें different applications के लिए यानी different devices के लिए different apps download करने पड़ते हैं. So it would be better if we have one common app or say one common interface due to which we can multiple device को हम connect कर सके एक साथ. So if that is possible, then that comes under Web of Things. Internet of Things allows us to interact with different devices through internet with the help of smartphones or computers, thus creating a personal network. But to interact with n number of devices, we need to install n different apps. Wouldn't it be convenient to have one interface to connect all the devices? The web is already being used as a system to communicate with each other. So, will it be possible to use the web in such a way that all things can communicate with each other in the most efficient manner by integrating them together? Web of Things allow us using web services to connect anything in the physical world besides human identities on the web. It will pave way for creating smart homes, smart offices, smart cities and so on. तो जैसा मैंने बोला था कि ये जो वेब है वो हम वैसे भी ग्लोबली इसे इंटरनेशनली हम कम्युनिकेशन के लिए तो यूज करते ही है. सो इज इट पॉसिबल दैट वी यूज वेब यानी वी हैव ओनली वन इंटरफेस एंड से मल्टीपल डिवाइसेस विद इन कंट्री आउटसाइड कंट्री विद इन स्टेट आउटसाइड स्टेट? इज इट पॉसिबल to implement it that way so that instead of having n different apps for different devices, we'll have only one app to be installed, which will not lead us to store a hell amount of data, and so storage may be like very less because it is not occupying different apps. So is it possible that so Web of Things are into implementations now? People are trying, people are practicing for it. So using web, we can have a simple common interface and we can try connecting different devices. So we'll have a short video for that as well. So that was a short video regarding Web of Things, regarding the benefits of Web of Things, that how it will be benefited in future, what advantages it has, traffic system. So yeah, koi bhi, for example, that was just a simple example we took, but apart from that, in any aspect, it would only come and help and make lives better. कमिंग ऑन टू सेंसर, सेंसर्स हमने ऑलरेडी देखा था इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग्स में, बिग डेटा में, सब में, कि सेंसर्स क्या होता है, स्मार्ट सिटीज क्या होता है. सो आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट एवरीवन टू गो थ्रू इट, and the next topic would be covering in next video.